Hello, I'm Dr. M. Welcome to my contribution to UoRovision 2020. I've thought long and hard about what I might do. Obviously, I want to showcase my vocal tenor as a member of the university choir, but during these difficult and unprecedented times, I feel the themes of friendship and European unity are very much to the fore. And so I hope you enjoy my contribution in this context. Thank you.
Oh, Freunde!
You better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, better not poke, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Thank you, and a Merry Christmas to you all.